Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 300 MCQs of American literature. Dear friends, these questions are very useful एंड इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम। तो यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन सीखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है। सो अवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नेम द पोएट हु गॉट द पुलिट्जर प्राइज इन 1961 फॉर हिज कलेक्टेड पोएम्स पब्लिश्ड इन 1953. So these four options are here: Edward Fitzgerald, option B Conrad Aiken, option C John Steinbeck, and option D Norman Mailer. So option B Conrad Aiken is the correct answer. Now question number second, which novel of Conrad Aiken depict the condition of a neurotic criminal? Option A Blue Boys, option B Great Circle, option C King Coffin, and option D A Heart of the Gods of Mexico. So the correct answer is option C King Coffin. Now question number 3. Conrad Aiken probes the crisis of a man's life as husband, father, and artist in option A Pilgrim's Progress, option B A Heart for the Gods of Mexico, option C Great Circle, and option D Blue Boys. So the correct answer is Pilgrim's Poems. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 4, which of the following stories is not written by Conrad Aiken? Option A Bring, option B Among the Lost People, option C Man, Woman and Boats, and option D Costumes by Eros. So the correct answer is option C Man, Woman and Boats is the correct answer. यानी कि मैन वुमेन एंड बोट्स इज़ नॉट स्टोरी इज़ नॉट रिटन बाय कॉनरेड एल्कन. तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, यदि आप जानते हैं कि हु रोट मैन वुमेन एंड बोट्स, प्लीज़ कमेंट्स बॉक्स में इसका जवाब दीजिए. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Question number 5. Edward L.V. Franklin is A. Option A novelist, option B poet, option C critic, and option D playwright. So the correct answer is playwright. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 6. A young homosexual who hates the world he can't live in and the one he resides in appears in Edward L.V.'s. Option A The Jew Story, option B The Death of Bessie Smith, option C The Sandbox, and option D The American Dragon. So the correct answer of this question is option A The Jew Story. Is the correct answer. Now question number 7. A symbolic play of Edward L.V. which treats family relationship where a mother and father are tired of grandmother and leave her on a sea beach where she is picked up by a young man. A symbolic representative of death is option A Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf, option B The Death of Bessie Smith, and option C Teeny Alice, and option D The Sandbox. So the correct answer is option D The Sandbox is the correct answer. Now question number 8. Which play of Edward L.V. presents the richest woman in the world symbolically who corrupt a Catholic lay brother by seducing and marrying him before arranging his cruel murder? Option A The Sandbox, option B The American Dream, option C Teeny Alice, and option D The Jew Story. So the correct answer is Teeny Alice. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 9. Name the playwright who wrote Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf in 1962. So these four options are: option A George Renault, option B Edward Albee, option C William Stanley Braithwaite, and option D James Bryce. So the correct answer is option B Edward Albee. Now question number 10. Question number 10. Who said all souls have a personal identity with God and abide in Him? Option A Conrad Alkan, option B Eldridge Streeter, option C Louisa May Alcott, option D Amos Bronson Alcott. So the correct answer is option D Amos Bronson Alcott is the correct answer. Option D Amos Bronson Alcott is the correct answer. Now question number 11. Question number 11. Which farm did Bronson Alcott set up in 1840 with the help of his friends at Conrad? Option A Community of Fruitlands, option B the Eden Gardens, option C the Paradise Valley, and option D the Apple Village. The Apple Village. So option A Community of Fruitlands, option A is the correct answer. Now question number 12. Name the work of Bronson Alcott which has the mystical sayings. Name the word of Bronson Alcott which has the mystical sayings. Option A New Connecticut, option B Table Talk, option C Tablets, and option D the Dial. So the correct answer is option D the Dial is the correct answer. Now question number 13. Which of the following is a poetical autobiography of Bronson Alcott's youth? Option A The Doctrine and Discipline of Human Culture, option B Table Talk, option C New Connecticut, and option D Tablets. So the correct answer is option C New Connecticut. Now question number 14. When did Bronson Alcott write sonnets and canzonets in the loving memory of his wife? Option A 1877, option B 1882, option C 1887, and option D 1888. So the correct answer is 1882. Option B is the correct answer. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. So listen or these questions again and again. Now question number 15. Which book did Louisa May Alcott write at the age of 16? Option A Fowler Pebbles, option B Joe's Boys, option C A Garland for Girls, and option D Jack and Jill. So option A Fowler Pebbles is the correct answer. Now question number 16. Which was the first novel of Louisa May Alcott that she wrote in 1865? Option A Little Man, option B Rose in Bloom, option C A Modern Mephistopheles, and option D Moods. So the correct answer is Moods. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 17. A charming of the early life of Louisa May Alcott in New England lecture which became extremely popular among the children and brought her the financial support she had been trying to achieve desperately to assist her family is. Option A Under the Lilacs, option B Jack and Jill, option C Little Women, option D Aunt Joe Scrapback. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C Little Women is the correct answer. 18. Which work of Louisa May Alcott contains transcendental wild oats about her father's experiment of Fruitlands? Option A Silver Pictures and Independence, option B Moods, option C Under the Lilacs, and option D Rose in Bloom. The correct answer is option A silver, pictures, and independence. Now question number 19. Who wrote the famous work like A Lantern in Her Hand and The Man Who Caught the Weather? Option A, Louisa May Alcott. Option B, Emily Dickinson. Option C, Bess Streeter Edrich. And option D, Sherwood Anderson. Sherwood Anderson. So the correct answer is option C, Bess Streeter Edrich. Now question number 20. When did the Bess Streeter write on an army officer's wife on the Indian frontier in the 19th century? Option A 1935, option B 1936, option C 1939, and option D 1942. So the correct answer is 1942. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 21. Name the writer who was encouraged by Carl Sandburg and Floyd Dell to publish his first book, Bindi Macpherson's Sons, in 1916. Option A, John Andre. Option B, Bess Streeter Eldridge. Option C, Anderson Sherwood. And option D, Walt Whitman. So option C, Mid-North, is the correct answer. Now question number 23. Winesburg, Ohio, 1919, by Anderson is a option A, novel, option B, poetry collection, option C, one act play, and option D, short play. So the correct answer is poetry collection. Option B is the correct answer. Now this is the second last question of this part. Dear friends, यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हों तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि आपको नए वीडियोज़ के नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त हो सकें. Which book of Anderson contains a collection of stories and poems that depict the frustration and maladjustment in the American life? Option A, A New Testament. Option B, Beyond Desire. Option C, Puzzled America. And option D, The Triumph of the Egg. So the correct answer is option D, The Triumph of the Egg. Now this is the last question. Which of the following is not novel by Anderson? Option A, Poor White. Option B, Horses and Men. Option C, Bindi Macpherson's Sons. And option D, Marching Men. So the correct answer is Horses and Men. Dear friends, these are some important questions. I hope कि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए होंगे. Thank you for watching.